Hey friends, if you're watching this, chances are you're tired of feeling tired. You go to bed, but your brain won't turn off. You toss. You turn. You wake up at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. Or worse, you wake up in the morning feeling like you didn't sleep at all. Yeah, I've been there too. But then I discovered something that literally changed my nights. And my days. It's called U-Sleep. And let me tell you, it's unlike any sleep product I've ever tried. U-Sleep is a delicious, all-natural, nano-enhanced sleep formula designed to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up actually feeling refreshed. Now I know what you're thinking. Another sleep aid? Been there, done that, didn't work. But here's what makes U-Sleep different. First off, it's made from natural ingredients. No weird chemicals, no groggy hangover feeling. Second, it's nano-enhanced. That means the ingredients are broken down into super tiny particles, so your body absorbs them faster and more effectively. This isn't just about knocking you out. This is about giving you restorative sleep, the kind your body actually needs. And did I mention, it tastes amazing. Not like those chalky pills or bitter drops. This is something I actually look forward to before bed. Since I started using U-Sleep, I fall asleep faster than ever. I don't wake up in the middle of the night anymore. And best of all, I wake up with energy, real energy, like my brain is finally getting the reset it needs. If you're ready to stop dreading bedtime and start loving your mornings, I highly recommend giving U-Sleep a try. You've got nothing to lose, except those sleepless nights. Click the link below to learn more and treat yourself to the kind of sleep your body has been craving. Trust me, you'll feel the difference after just one night. Sweet dreams, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions. I'll personally reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.